The need for digital human modeling is the same need that everybody has in testing things.
I would say on a high level we're in the field of modeling and simulation. And under that, we're modeling and simulating humans. Nobody else is looking at dynamic human motion.
Our products, because we can predict human behavior based on fundamental principles, we don't need to know anything in advance. We can have profiles for our digital characters that have to do with size, shape, strength, conditioning, flexibility, the environment you're in, the clothes you're wearing, and someday even intelligence.
I mean, everyone does their design process differently. Like, no two companies are the same. And so we want to go in letting them know that.
We don't just have a really good idea. We have a really impressive client base of Fortune 500 companies, some of the most recognized global companies in the world.
My research really aims to address knowledge gaps in our understanding of relationships between the physical aspects of work and the health of our musculoskeletal systems. So we are using Santos in some of my research projects, and they've been extraordinarily helpful in helping us ramp up our expertise in the use of Santos. They've been helpful with our research partners in terms of helping them develop expertise in the use of Santos. And then they've been a resource for us for the last 4 or 5 years as our projects have moved forward. It's been a great relationship.
I'm Mike Hines. I'm Vice President of Engineering and Product Development at Milsco Manufacturing in Milwaukee. The digital human software for us is a tool, and so we see that as a good opportunity to really model and get predictive in terms of placement of what we call seat index points or motorcycle operator reference points. Those are kind of where your hip is in relation to the overall ergonomic model of the system. So that's really what we're interested in terms of the model. Part of the solution set that we like so far with Santos is the ability to kind of create these zone models. And that enables us to really hit a target zone and create a very visual solution set for our OEMs where you can really get your head around where we need to be. So it provides kind of the ballpark or the strike zone of where ideally we want to position that operator. And that's a key advantage to us.
In effect, what we're doing is we're solving an equation like F equals ma, but we don't know the forces. We don't know the motion. We're predicting both sides of that equation simultaneously. That is really exciting.
You know, you save a lot of time, and that always saves money. But frankly, where it gets most rewarding is when you're saving lives or making lives better. And I think that sums up in a nutshell what you want to do with human modeling.